Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Do you guys notice anything different about my voice? Yeah, I sound a little different, don't I? Well, that's because I'm using a voice changer. Let me just go and turn it off, and now I'm back. So, I'm going to be showing you how to get the voice changer. It's really easy. It's called Clownfish. Just go here. The link is in the description. Don't press this. This is an ad. It'll trick you. It's a trick. Don't press download on the ad right there. But you need to press download right here. Don't press open. Just press close. And then you're probably not on 32-bit. So download this. Press this. And then once you've done that, you go through the installing thing. Well, once it's installed, you press open. If it says it'll harm your computer, it won't. That's just a lie. That's what it thinks. Just press allow or whatever, and then go into the, when it's done downloading, press the down arrow and press open, and then you'll do all that. And then once it's installed and you close that, you go here, search Clownfish, and you do run as administrator. And then after that, you go over here, you press this, you right click it, and you press set voice changer. And there's a bunch of ones. Let me turn it on. You press turn on.
And now I should sound like a man. And
The female one is kind of trash. We have helium. We have baby. We have radio, which you can hear it well. We have robot.
We have slow mutation, I don't know what that's about. We have fast mutation, which is, I guess. And then we have mutation, I don't even know what those about.
This is just Echo, but named Clone.
This one actually sounds really cool. It's hard to understand, but it sounds really cool. And the alien one is just reverse.
But I like to use the custom one. I have it set at 220 for me. And then when I talk in a high voice like this, I sound like a girl, and it's really cool. I like to troll with it. But yeah, please like and subscribe. It would help out a lot. And yeah, bye.